Most people use AI and machine learning as if they mean the same thing, but they are not. In the next few minutes, you'll see exactly where they overlap, where they differ, and why that difference matters when building modern AI systems. Artificial intelligence is the goal, making machines behave intelligently. Machine learning is one way to achieve that goal by learning from data instead of following handwritten rules. Think of AI as the umbrella and machine learning as one branch under it. AI includes search algorithms, learning, robotics, expert systems, and of course, ML. Machine learning specifically focuses on learning patterns from examples using models like decision trees and neural networks. Here's the key takeaway: every machine learning system is AI, but not every AI system uses machine learning. The biggest difference is how they solve problems. Classical AI explores possibilities using techniques like A-star search, minimax, or constraint solving. Machine learning takes a completely different path. It learns a mathematical function from data. AI depends on logic and algorithms. ML depends on examples and training. One reasons through the problem, the other discovers the solution by recognizing patterns. In traditional AI, knowledge is written explicitly. Experts define rules like if fever and cough, then flu. Knowledge lives in rule bases, graphs, and symbolic logic. Machine learning doesn't store knowledge as rules. Instead, it compresses patterns into millions or even billions of learned parameters. To teach AI, you write new rules. To improve ML, you gather better data and retrain the model. The smallest building block of rule based AI is exactly what you'd expect. If this happens, then do that. Same input always gives the same output. Machine learning is different. Each neuron computes a weighted sum of its inputs, and those weights are adjusted during training. Instead of fixed rules, the model learns probabilities from data, allowing it to generalize beyond the examples it has seen. AI systems often search through possible solutions using heuristics like Fn equals to Gn plus Hn to find the best path. Machine learning doesn't search through decisions. It optimizes model parameters using gradient descent, updating weights to reduce prediction error. AI solves a new search for every problem instance, while MN spends thousands of training iterations learning once so it can make fast predictions later. Rule-based AI struggles when it encounters situations no one anticipated. If there's no rule, there's no answer. Machine learning has a different weakness. It learns whatever patterns exist in its training data, including bias. AI is fixed by adding better rules. ML is improved with better data, regularization, and retraining. One fails because knowledge is missing, the other fails because learning is imperfect. As the world changes, both systems need updates, but in different ways. For rule based AI, engineers manually add and test new rules, making every change easy to trace. Machine learning is updated by retraining on fresh data, but those changes are spread across millions of weights, making the behavior harder to interpret. Both evolve over time, just through completely different maintaining strategies. Let's compare them side by side. AI is broader field, focused on reasoning, planning, perception, and intelligent behavior. Machine learning is one technique that builds that behavior from data. AI is usually easier to explain because the logic is explicit. ML often delivers high performance on complex tasks but behaves like a black box. The relationship is simple. ML is a subset of AI. Choose rule-based AI when your requirements are precise. Explainability is critical, and there isn't enough training data. Choose machine learning when patterns are too complex to code manually, and you have plenty of representative data. And in practice, modern AI systems often combine both, using logical rules where they work best and machine learning where data driven intelligence is needed. The biggest takeaway is this: machine learning is AI, but AI is much bigger than machine learning. AI defines the goal of intelligent behavior, while ML is one powerful way to achieve it through data. If this finally cleared up the confusion, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more deep dives into AI concepts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.